an increasing number of people are choosing to have cosmetic surgery in order to improve their appearance. Why are more people choosing to have operation to change the way they look? Do you think this a positive or negative development?
Sample answer 1. In recent years, there has been a noticeable surge in the number of individuals opting for cosmetic surgery to enhance their physical appearance. This trend raises questions about the underlying motivations behind such decisions and the implications they hold. This essay will delve into the reasons behind the growing popularity of cosmetic surgery and evaluate whether it represents a positive or negative development. One key factor driving the increasing demand for cosmetic surgery is the societal emphasis on beauty and physical attractiveness. In today's image-conscious culture, individuals are often bombarded with idealized standards of beauty propagated by the media and popular culture. This constant exposure to unrealistic beauty ideals can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem among some individuals, prompting them to seek surgical interventions to conform to these standards. Moreover, advancements in medical technology and techniques have made cosmetic procedures more accessible, safer, and less invasive. As a result, individuals may view cosmetic surgery as a viable means to address perceived flaws or imperfections and achieve their desired aesthetic goals with relative ease. However, the increasing prevalence of cosmetic surgery also raises concerns about its potential negative consequences. One such concern is the risk of developing body dysmorphic disorder, BDD, a psychological condition characterized by obsessive preoccupation with perceived flaws in one's appearance. For individuals with BDD, cosmetic surgery may offer temporary relief, but it often fails to address the underlying psychological issues, leading to a cycle of dissatisfaction and further surgeries. Furthermore, the commodification of beauty through cosmetic surgery can perpetuate harmful beauty standards and reinforce societal pressure to conform to narrow ideals of attractiveness. This can contribute to the marginalization and stigmatization of individuals who do not fit these ideals, exacerbating issues of body image dissatisfaction and low self-esteem in society. In conclusion, the increasing prevalence of cosmetic surgery reflects a complex interplay of societal, cultural, and individual factors. While it may offer opportunities for self-improvement and empowerment for some individuals, it also raises concerns about the potential negative impact on mental health and societal perceptions of beauty. Ultimately, whether cosmetic surgery is viewed as a positive or negative development depends on how it is approached and its broader implications for individual well-being and societal norms.
Sample answer 2. In recent years, there has been a noticeable rise in the popularity of cosmetic surgery as individuals seek to enhance their physical appearance. This trend raises questions about the underlying motivations behind such decisions and the overall implications for society. This essay will explore the reasons why more people are opting for cosmetic procedures and evaluate whether this trend is positive or negative. One primary reason for the increasing demand for cosmetic surgery is the societal pressure to conform to beauty standards perpetuated by the media and popular culture. With the prevalence of social media platforms showcasing idealized images of beauty, individuals may feel compelled to undergo cosmetic enhancements to attain similar standards of attractiveness. Additionally, the desire to boost self-confidence and improve self-esteem plays a significant role in driving individuals towards cosmetic procedures. For some, cosmetic surgery offers a solution to insecurities about their physical appearance, providing them with a sense of empowerment and satisfaction. However, the surge in cosmetic surgery also raises concerns about its potential negative consequences. Firstly, there are inherent risks associated with surgical procedures, including complications, infections, and adverse reactions to anesthesia. Moreover, the pursuit of physical perfection through cosmetic surgery may contribute to unrealistic beauty ideals and perpetuate body image issues, particularly among vulnerable populations, such as adolescents and young adults. This can lead to psychological distress and dissatisfaction with one's natural appearance, undermining mental well-being. On the other hand, proponents argue that cosmetic surgery can have positive effects on individuals' quality of life by addressing physical imperfections or congenital abnormalities, that cause functional impairments or emotional distress. Furthermore, advancements in cosmetic procedures have made them safer and more accessible, allowing individuals to achieve desired aesthetic outcomes with reduced risks and downtime. In conclusion, the growing trend of opting for cosmetic surgery reflects the complex interplay of societal influences, personal motivations, and advancements in medical technology. While cosmetic surgery may offer benefits in terms of improving self-esteem and addressing physical concerns, it also raises ethical and social considerations regarding beauty standards and body image. Ultimately, whether this trend is viewed as positive or negative depends on individual perspectives and the broader societal context.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.